Hello there, friends and family. Welcome again to Nanaba's Kitchen. It is 2020 and I am looking forward to another action-packed year. With all your love and support behind me, I know we're going to have another thrilling year. I'd love to take this opportunity to thank you for an awesome 2019. You guys watched my videos, you shared them, you liked the videos, and you even tried the recipes, and then you returned with those comments that uplifted me in every way possible. 2019 was unbelievable because of your support. Now, friends and family, I recently had a lunch date with my sister Kwankyewaa from Kwankyewaa's kitchen. I prepared fish stew and she made some rice, and when I got there, we whipped up a vegetable stir fry.
Now friends, let me share with you how I cooked my quick fish stew. I have my fish already prepped, cut into the sizes I like, and this is snapper and grouper. Now I have a dry rub that's going to go over it. So I have garlic powder, cayenne, pepper, and turmeric. I also have onion powder and ginger. No salt, no seasoning quite yet because I don't want the fish to start losing its moisture. I want it to be nice and moist on the inside when we fry it, which is the next step. And we just want to make sure that all the fish is well coated with the spices and let it sit for about 20 minutes until it is perfectly marinated. Now before we fry, I'm going to be coating my fish with some breading. So I have the original flavor of Miss Dash, which has an excellent combination of dry spices and different herbs. So there's that, and then I have dry parsley flakes. Then I have my salt now at this time, as well as some white pepper. And then I also have my flour there, right there. So I'm going to be pouring those dry ingredients, including my flour, into this double paper bag. That's how I'm going to be coating my fish, just to get things done quickly and to avoid cleaning dishes, because I'm in a hurry. So I just pour all of it in there and shake it around a few times to get it combined properly, and drop the fish in there just like so. The fish is marinated after 20 minutes, so they all go into the paper bag. Then I fold it up and shake it around, and that's how the breading, the flour, and all the spices and the seasoning coats the fish. And we are ready to fry. But before that, I lay all the coated fish onto this rack, which then allows the fish to air dry for a couple of minutes, permitting the breading and the flour to really adhere to the skin of the fish, which is what makes the fish really crispy when it's fried. So what we're doing is deep frying. So you need enough oil, and you want to fry on medium heat until your fish is crispy outside and moist on the inside, just like that. That should take about 12 minutes. See how quick this was? And I don't even have a lot of dishes to clean, so I am a happy woman right now. My fish is all ready. We are going to be preparing our fish stew right now. Now for the fish stew, I have poured out quite a bit of the oil and left just a little behind, and I have just placed in some petit belle chilies, which is the same as papushito in Ghana. They are super fragrant, so I'm perfuming my oil right now. And now I'm adding a combination of some onions and bell peppers, orange and yellow. So I'm just going to caramelize these. Actually, not really caramelize. I'm just really kind of going to sweat them. So I've just also added some white cabbage. I'm just going to cook it for about 2 minutes. And then I add some crushed black pepper, freshly crushed, and some salt to season these vegetables. Now I'm going to be using my tomato-based stew or jollof stew, which I have a couple of recipes on, and that's it right here. It is already prepared, and like I said, I have a recipe on it, so you can check it out. It's linked below in the description box. A couple of scoops and my stew is about done. So there you go. Flavor packed, very natural flavors, and it is just to die for. The aroma is right where I want it to be. So now I'm going to add my fish, just like that. Incorporate it into the stew. I love this jollof stew because when you're in a hurry, it's like as handy as a pocket on a shirt. It is just ready to go. Kwankyewaa, I am on my way. All the fish have now been incorporated into the stew, and I'm ready to head out. So see you soon, Kwankyewaa's kitchen. Now, prior to that, I almost forgot. Yes, we are going to finish it off with some cold pressed coconut oil for that coconut flavor. I'm telling you, it went very well with this stew. And that's the perfect show-stopping moment for the simple, quick, and easy fish stew. So I'm dishing some out now into my container with an airtight lid, and I am ready to hit that road. Now my sister Kwankyewaa of Kwankyewaa's kitchen only lives a stone throw away from me, literally, so it's not going to be a long drive. I'm so excited about this lunch day. Ooh.
Hello!
She was looking gorgeous, ready to cook with her sister. And boy, did we enjoy cooking together. Wow. Two strong women, two beautiful brown-skinned women doing their thing and just loving this very moment. Life is short too. So that day, the way we tore the food up, no, look at me. The food wasn't even done yet and I'm already like dancing. So we prepped some fresh vegetables, very nourishing stir-fried vegetables that we had with the fish stew and that rice she made. Oh my gosh, you will see it on her channel. You ought to check it out. Very simple, a few ingredients and yet those flavors. Woo! She did something to that rice, let me tell you. So make sure you check it out. Here's our stir-fried vegetables. We are ready to dig in. Look, I was not shy, crowd. She saw the other side of me that day. What was eating? Oh, I enjoyed it, and we should do this more often.
Weeks, right? Maybe even months. Yeah. We've been able to make it happen. Finally. So
today when I woke up, I called him. I'm like, "Can you hear my voice?"
For those of you who are thinking of starting your own YouTube channel or whatever it is you're trying to indulge in, go for it. Remember though that there will be challenges. You know, there will be the naysayers. There will be those who come off as bullies, but don't let it bother you. Love what you're doing and be positive about it. The negativity, just let it slide off your shoulders. You know, it's true. Put your best work out there and love what you're doing. That's why I always say, make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Totally. There's a lot that happens behind the scenes. We are true sisters. I mean, we're not just virtual. We have met
This is not
each
a
other.
virtual relationship at all. Yes.
So thank you, YouTube. We have all come a long way because of all your support. Please consider liking the video, sharing it, leaving me a comment, and subscribing. And also don't forget to turn that notification on. Then click on the link below, which will take you straight to Kwankyewaa's kitchen, where she and I both sat down and had great conversation over that wonderful meal. You would absolutely love that channel. Consider liking that video, sharing it, leaving her a comment, and also subscribing, clicking on that notification bell for her as well.
Thank you all so much for watching, and in the words of my sister Kwankyewaa, be happy, be kind, be loving, and in my words, while having fun, especially in that kitchen.